driving me crazy, girl, I'm going insane like.
Darling, darling, darling. You know I need you so.
Babe, how does this one work?
Oh, nah. You driving me crazy, girl, I'm going insane like.
This is Kalaso.
I know all I want and it's you that I want, baby. Oh, nah. You driving me crazy, girl, I'm going insane like. Oh, nah.
Yeah,
I know what I want and it's you that I want, baby. Oh, nah. Oh,
yeah, the last one.
Oh, nah.
What's the other one?
Baby, show me how you
Yes,
love
you
it, like
can.
can't wait. Oh, nah.
You can show us
Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Baby, show me how you love it, like can't wait. Oh, baby, I just wanna be your one and only. Can you read my mind? I wanna be with you and I've been feeling lonely. Can I pull up on your song? Oh, tell me that you love me. When I'm trying to confess that I never told you lies. Can I make love tonight? Voices everywhere, it's all about you tonight. Oh, nah. Baby, you must spend somebody. Baby, can you let me feel your body? Let me feel your body. Oh, nah. Baby, you must spend somebody. Baby, can you let me feel your body? Oh, nah. You driving me crazy, girl, I'm going insane like. Oh, nah. I know what I want and it's you that I want, baby. Oh, nah. You driving me crazy, girl, I'm going insane like. Oh, nah. I know what I want and it's you that I want, baby. Oh,
Thou shalt not take dating advice from anyone else who do say wako. It was just us two, king of the cool, when I miss cool, halabaloo, jabula juice is a drink I choose. Nothing else to do but drink and things. If I was you, I'd catch ya, cause I wouldn't wanna be in the loose. But if I want you, I might mess up, cause if you let me know you're a fool. Ballet, bakate, the calabas peggy, whatever I'm in, as long as the baby a chabuni.
Yeah, please.
You driving me crazy, girl, I'm going insane like. Oh, nah. I know what I want and it's you that I want, baby. Oh, nah. You driving me crazy.
Almost done. We just need to move this now because apparently it needs to be more than 20 centimeters away from the edge of the stove. So an electrician just got here to help us with that.
Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Baby, show me how you're laughing, I can't wait.
Okay, so the stove is done. There it is. We're wasting gas, but there it is. Wastage. So we sorted now. Now you see.
But all technologies, there is like so we know everybody's this.
No, it's nice, eh?
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me.
Right?
Yeah.
And like this.
Okay.
So what happens is you give me that. So you
So
lift
you
your one
lift
leg
your-
up. No.
One leg
You
up.
stand-
One leg up.
Lift your
under
leg
your
up.
feet. Under your
Give me
feet.
that.
Hey.
Right, one leg. And you pass it down the line. And this,
The next guy moves on
puts
to it.
down. And then you come in on this one, yeah?
But is his foot allowed to touch the floor?
The last guy will touch the floor. Right? But everybody in the chain has to put their legs on the
And if you're
Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be with.
Let me show you. You could have here. Hey, I'm going to steal the strategy. Get it! Woo!
Now put it up, boss. Yay!
Yes!
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, put your silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy seasons.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anathi and this is Saul and this is our channel. So yesterday I was at team building. This is now the next day. Today is my first day of gym again. I don't know if first day is ngapi, but it's my first day of gym again, and hopefully this time I'm gonna stick it out. Hopefully this time I'm gonna make it last. I'm so low in energy, so hubby gave me this thing. Apparently it's gonna help me with energy. Yeah, so we headed to the gym now. I'm not sure what we're gonna get up to when we get back. And also we won at the team building yesterday. My friend took my gift for me that we got from winning at the team building. I'll unbox it with you guys later, or I'll show you guys later, or when I get it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the gym. That's his way.
This one I bet you the jabata. Me I no get time, the da ba da. Dada cover my face, calling me da ba da. Big man wait to get ba da. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the better. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the better. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, I they try to do I'm plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy.
lights next to you look so
You can
nice.
put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Let it all then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it.
You wanted to see what?
Show him Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on the bang on him. Let it all then
The premium Medinga that Susan loves.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro, choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him nigga red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No.
But babe, when are you found again, like being hungry?
As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord.
We just finished eating out. The plan wasn't actually to eat out. We had gone to grab something. We ended up at the mall and baby said he's hungry, so we ended up eating out. Hence I was in beanies and all of that. I'm so tired. I had such an early morning. Was it early or am I just tired? I think it wasn't that early. I'm just legit really tired. Today's a Saturday. I had a funeral in the morning, oh baby, and I had soccer in the morning, and this is us now on our way home. Say hi to the people.
Yo. How are you showing your things?
I can't see. Okay, great.
Yo, what's up? I don't know what to say.
When I never know what to say to vlogs, like
Ask me a question, I'll answer.
I can't ask you a question. Okay, how was soccer?
Soccer was great.
How was eating out? If you say eating out was great, I'm gonna punch you in the arm.
No, eating out was nice because it was not expected.
When are you like doing spontaneous things? Here I am looking dodge. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and shorts, and he's in flip-flops, and we out here eating out. How has your Saturday been? How was soccer?
I'm tired, yo.
I'm also so tired.
But I'm going to buy beer for a rugby match.
Oh yes, there's rugby later. We'll watch rugby later.
What you
You're
mean?
tired,
I
but
will
you're not
watch.
too tired for beer.
No, can never be tired for beer.
I say your life choices there, huh? And they're closing now.
They won't close before I come.
What you go, baby? They won't close at Liquor City before he gets here. Baba Yamazi, Liquor City. Doing it was wrong. Okay, let's quickly go into Liquor City. We'll take you guys with us. No, I want to buy those small ones. I must start my collection today. Which one do you want?
This one. It's XO.
Yeah, it looks nice.
How do you pronounce? Like
XO.
I want to keep a collection of unusual colors.
No, I want to keep a collection of those tiny bottles. Now, do you know which one I would buy? I would buy that 20 XO. Oh, I said that.
Extra.
That I would buy.
Extra cognac. We want the extra flavor.
If it was 500, I would buy it. I wouldn't buy it for 6K.
No, you can buy it.
6,000.
6,000 is
Ah,
cheap.
swah. I would fall dead and die. Now the stuff is baby.
Doesn't chance take her.
Look at your passion when you're talking about alcohol, but now in the car you didn't know what to say to the vlog. Now you're so passionate, you're even smiling.
Can you please take that one?
Our subbies have never seen you smiling. Now that you're talking about alcohol, you're smiling. There's more of stuff baby than goodies. The subbies must buy you a ding for your birthday.
Oh, it's cold.
They've never seen you this happy and this talkative.
This is my
Happy place.
happy place. Yes, boys. Yes.
We're going for a walk. It's now what, maybe an hour after we last spoke. We're going for a little walk.
What?
Say something.
What can I say about a walk? The walk is a walk.
Because it's not about alcohol now. It has nothing to say. Oh, I have hiccups. I'm wearing hubby's shoes. Saving. And I thought that they're so cool. Like,
so comfortable.
they look like Hey guys, it's me again. Before we end off this vlog, I just wanted to say thank you for 400 subscribers. Before this, I was actually saying 400,000 subscribers. Imagine, I'm already there. In my head, we had 400,000. So yeah, we just wanted to say thank you for 400 subscribers. We're so grateful. We're so honored that 400 of you see it fit to subscribe to our channel. We can't wait to grow more with you guys. Ooh, my forehead. We're looking forward to more growth, but we're also just grateful for where we are. We're super excited and super happy about that. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. And if you watched up until this point, thank you so much for watching up until the end. Also, drop a 400 down in the comment section below to show that you've watched up until this far.